Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to reach out to Paysend customer support but weren't sure how? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the various ways to contact Paysend and get the assistance you need. Paysend is a popular international money transfer service that allows you to send funds to friends, family, or businesses around the world. But what happens when you encounter a problem or have a question about your transaction? That's where customer support comes in. Method 1. Online Help Center. The first and often most convenient way to get help from Paysend is through their online help center. This resource is packed with frequently asked questions, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step instructions for common tasks. How to access: simply visit the Paysend website and look for the Help or Support section. What to expect: you'll find a wide range of topics, from account creation to transaction issues. Benefits: the Help Center is available 24/7 and offers a quick and easy way to find answers to your questions. Method 2. Live Chat. If you can't find the information you need in the Help Center, you may want to try live chat. Paysend offers live chat support during specific hours. How to access: visit the Paysend website and look for the live chat icon. What to expect: you'll be connected to a customer support agent who can assist you with your query. Benefits: live chat provides a real-time conversation and allows you to get immediate assistance. Method 3. Phone support. For more complex issues, or if you prefer to speak to someone over the phone, Paysend also offers phone support. How to find the number: visit the Paysend website or contact page to find the appropriate phone number for your region. What to expect: you'll be connected to a customer support representative who can help you with your issue. Benefits: phone support allows for a more in-depth conversation and can be helpful for resolving complex problems. Method 4. Email support. If you prefer to send your query in writing, you can also contact Paysend via email. How to find the email address: visit the Paysend website or contact page to find the appropriate email address. What to expect: you'll receive a response from a customer support representative within a specified time frame. Benefits: email support allows you to provide detailed information and can be helpful for following up on previous inquiries. Tips for effective communication. When contacting Paysend customer support, keep the following tips in mind. Be clear and concise. Clearly state your problem or question and provide any relevant details. Be patient. Customer support agents may need time to gather information or resolve your issue. Be polite. A friendly and respectful tone can go a long way in ensuring a positive experience. By understanding the different methods to contact Paysend customer support, you can get the assistance you need in a timely and efficient manner. Whether you prefer online resources, live chat, phone support, or email, there's a method that's right for you. So, the next time you encounter a problem with your Paysend account or need help with a transaction, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.